7 best local business websites that you can build and sell with AI. Now, there are a million of local businesses, okay, that are there without any type of effective websites. There's dentists, plumbers, restaurants, real estate agents, gyms, law firms, accountants, and in most local markets, the businesses with the best websites are going to win the most customers. Now, AI website builders have made it quite possible to build professional local business websites in a few hours and sell them for $500 to $2,000 each. Now, this video is going to cover 7 types of local business websites that are the most in demand, exactly how to build each one with AI, and how to price and sell your services. Now, local business website sales are going to follow a proven model. Build a website template for a specific business type, approach businesses in that niche who have poor or no websites, offer a complete website setup at a one-time fee plus optional monthly maintenance, and repeat across many businesses in your area. Now, with AI tools, building a professional template is going to take 1 to 3 hours. Customizing it for a specific business, like adding their info, photos, services, is going to take 2 to 4 additional hours. And of course, at $800 per website, 4 websites per month are going to generate $3,200, which is, I'd say, a meaningful side income with minimal overhead. Now, dental practices are going to be among the highest converting local website clients because they have high patient lifetime value. So, families are going to stay with one dentist for years. They lose significant revenue when patients can't find them online. And many small dental practices have outdated or maybe even no websites. Now, what a dental website needs is a homepage with a clear value and proposition. So, of course, for that, you are going to choose a platform that's going to bring you the proper website or app you want to go with. So, you need a homepage, proposition and service area, appointment booking integration, services pages for general dentistry, cosmetic dentistry, and orthodontics, before and after gallery, patient reviews, testimonials, and you can also get the proper insurance information if you want to go ahead with something like that. Now, you can literally build it in anything like Lovable or Wix. You can prompt it for a clean, professional medical aesthetic and ask it to give you, a proper blue-white color scheme, prominent call to action for booking and mobile optimization, and customize the practice's name with proper looks into it. The pricing could be $1,200 to $2,000 one time, or monthly maintenance from $100 to $200 for a month for content updates and technical maintenance, basically. Moving on, you could also go over to any restaurant website. Okay. Now, restaurant websites need very specific elements that general website templates are going to miss, like online menu, preferably with photos, reservation integration, hours and location prominently displayed, and a design that matches the restaurant's atmosphere. You can again build those images in Canva for the best design quality. Prompt Claude to literally generate a complete menu section with categories, item descriptions, and price formatting. You can use the restaurant's actual photos, requesting them from the client. Food photography is the single biggest conversion driver for restaurant websites. You can integrate with OpenTable or Resi for reservations, include Google Maps embedding for location, and the pricing should be $800 to $1,500. Restaurants are going to often want ongoing menu updates. Now, real estate agents need MLS listing integration with lead capture forms, agent biography, and trust signals with proper neighborhood guides and home evaluation tools. MLS integration is the technical challenge, where you can use IDX Broker or Showcase IDX for WordPress websites. Okay, Now you can integrate those live property listings, build the rest in WordPress with an AI generated theme customized for agents' brand. You can also use Claude in this case, again, to write the neighborhood guides, genuinely valuable content that ranks in Google for homes for sale. In searches, this SEO content is a significant value add that justifies premium pricing, something like that. And the pricing could be anywhere from $1,500 to $3,000 due to technical complexity of MLS integration. Monthly maintenance could include MLS updates, $200 to $400 a month or so. Now, moving on, there's also the fitness business or the personal trainer or a gym website. Now, the fitness business needs, I'd say, clear transformation, messaging before and after potential, class schedules, pricing transparency, trainer credential, and philosophy, and even booking with registration. Now, you can build it again with something like Lovable or Wix using fitness specific prompts, energetic color palettes, often black with an accent color like orange or green, large hero image of training in action with a prominent CTA for a free consultation or trial class. You're going to integrate mind, body, or acuity scheduling for class booking, and this integration in a significant time saver for the client and justifies any type of premium pricing. The pricing could go from $1,000 to $1,800 for independent trainers, then $1,500 to $2,500 for gym owners with scheduling integration. Then you can also go with any type of plumbing business, like home service businesses that have the most urgent need for good websites because they compete on Google local service ads quite validly. Essential elements like emergency service phone numbers, prominently displayed service area pages, and a whole lot more. Then there's law firm websites, which convey trust, expertise, and professionalism. Potential clients making major legal decisions are highly sensitive to signals of competence. You can use a proper, conservative or professional aesthetic for it. And then finally, beauty salon or spa website. Now, the beauty business needs aesthetic forward websites that match the quality of their services. Visual design quality is much more important here than most other niches. And I would definitely suggest to choose any of these 7 websites because they are the absolute money grabbers and help you out a lot. So walk your target area and identify businesses with poor websites. Direct in-person cold calling has the highest conversion rate for local business websites. Visiting the business, briefly explaining that you build professional websites for and offering to show them a free demo built for their business. Now, the local business website market is large, underserved, and actively looking for this service. AI tools have made it possible to deliver professional quality at a timeline and a price point that works for small businesses. So start with a niche, build a strong template, then close your first 2 or 3 clients to refine your process, scale to other business types, and you're good to go. So that is pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.